Family and friends of the late Ina White, the 400-pound Cayman national who lived in Manchester, say they're overwhelmed at the outpouring of love and support as they make preparations to lay her to rest. Miss White passed away last Tuesday after complications in her medical condition, which caused excessive swelling of her lymph nodes and her ballooning weight. A candlelight vigil was held for her last night. Krista Campbell has this primetime news update.
The small flames of candles light a dark street in Manchester Wednesday night, leading the way to a house on Bonita Crescent where inside strangers gather with family and friends to pay respect to the life of Ina White. Ina, a Caymanian national, TVJ News highlighted last May as she struggled with a medical condition called lymphedema. It caused her lymph nodes to swell uncontrollably and made her gain weight rapidly. She was close to 500 pounds when TVJ News first interviewed her and in a lot of pain, susceptible to infections and unable to move around on her own. But those who volunteered to help care for her say they did so without hesitation because of Miss Ina's kind and loving personality.
If you didn't come and see her, you would know that she was sick. She is always jovial and always pleasant and encouraging. And I take it as a pleasure to do whatever she needs to do.
I'm telling you, she'll look about me. So anything in the house I want, I must ask, I should just take it. And since late now, my family came up here and she look about all of us same way. But since now she take the sickness, it was hard because it's me she want to rub her foot.
Miss Ina's medical condition worsened late last year and she passed after having difficulty breathing on January 12, 2021. She was nothing if not grateful for the support and help she received, especially after TVJ News highlighted her story. A month later, in June last year, her own government in Cayman reached out to try and bring her home for treatment, which was her main wish. This was her last interview with TVJ News.
I've got more than the government now running up and down to take me home. And so I know I'm going home soon. I was promised and I don't have any doubt in that. But it shows me how much I have been loved. And I'm surprised. And I got people that are telling me I'm so pretty. And I didn't realize that either.
At 51 years old, Ms. Ina had strong faith and belief in God, which made her touch even more lives.
It helped me to draw closer to God, right, because that is what she wanted.
We don't know what's going to lie ahead of us, what position we might find ourselves in. Therefore, we have to help whenever time we can, help someone who are in need.
Ms. Ina will be laid to rest on the weekend. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.